and we didn't totally get wet too much, so they put 2 logs on there, which is exciting. Look at Dick still staring outside. Where's your there it is. Alright, we're gonna cook up some food so I have a few more days. And then what I have, I think I have maybe a day left. It's 53 degrees out. He's got his guard up. He gets in that grass, he's gonna be soaked. It's literally just stopped raining 3 minutes ago, and the sun's out. And I'm afraid to let Duke out because you can see how wet that grass is. Okay, more rain coming. Yeah, now it's nice and sunny. The gunshot just went off and didn't even bother him. Alright guys, well, we got 2 pieces of wood left here. We're gonna throw these on the fire quick. I'm not sure if everything's gone before we head out to another state, another area. Up here, we got some neighbors over there chilling. In the background, I hear a bunch of dogs. I'm not sure for what though. Coyotes or just a bunch of dogs barking.